How do I add a device to Find My?
Hello and welcome to our guide on how to add a device to your iPadOS Find My feature. Find My is a fantastic tool that can help you locate your Apple devices if they are lost or stolen. Today, we'll be walking you through the process of adding a new device to this system.
What you will need.
To follow along with this guide, you will need 1. An Apple device like an iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Apple Watch, or Mac. 2. Your Apple ID and password. These are the same credentials you use to log in to iCloud. 3. Access to the internet, since Find My relies on this to locate your devices.
How to add an iOS or iPadOS device.
To add an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to your Find My list, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Tap on your name at the top of the screen to access the Apple ID menu. 3. From here, select the Find My option. 4. Then, tap on Find My device and toggle it on. Remember that you'll need to have location services enabled on your device for Find My to work.
How to add an Apple Watch or Mac.
Adding an Apple Watch or Mac to your Find My list is a similar process, but the steps are slightly different. 1. For an Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your paired iPhone, tap the My Watch tab, then tap your watch, tap I. Next to the watch you want to unpair, tap Find My Apple Watch, then turn on Find My Apple Watch. 2. For a Mac, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen, select System Preferences, then click Apple ID. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier, you don't need to click Apple ID. From here, select iCloud and scroll down to Find My Mac, then ensure the Find My Mac checkbox is selected. And there you have it. You've successfully added your device to Find My. Now, you can rest a little easier knowing that if your device goes missing, you have a tool to help locate it. We hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for watching.